it's rough and it's scrap, and it used to be a shipping pallet. So in this episode we are turning this into a birdhouse. So let's build ourselves a house for our flying friends. This video contains a visual effect shot, and you need to let me know in the comments on what timestamp it's located. Why do you need to shut up? Yeah, if that's the case, then you need to film yourself and edit it. I said you need to shut up. Let's go back into the video. So the tools that we are using for this project, I'm using my table saw to give the pallet a rough cut. We need some nails. We need a hammer to knock them into the wood. You need something to do some small measurements. I'm using a pencil and some wood glue. So yeah, let's start our project by cutting our boards. I almost forgot, you will also need a drill press if you want to follow the exact steps of the birdhouse. I'm using my drill press like I mentioned, but you can also use a hand drill, but it's way over there. Yeah, I will take it so you can see it. So yeah, the hand drill, you don't have to use it. It's, I think, in my opinion, strong enough with only the wood glue, but if you want extra security with the nails, you can pre-drill the wood. It's for splitting. So yeah, then you will need a hand drill or a drill press if you have one, but like I mentioned, you don't have to use it. So for our front and back side, I'm gonna mark the center of this piece of wood, and I'm gonna do a roof pitch of 45 degrees. So yeah, I need to cut them and mark them. I've made myself a jig that I can use to make easy 45 degrees cuts. It's easy and it's fast this way. This project can also be done with a hand saw, but for this project I'm using my table saw because it's a lot faster. because I'm using pallet wood, I need to make a new piece because I could glue it, but yeah, I just cut a new one. Small pieces I can use for firewood in the winter. Wanted to do a bit fancy, and I have made some 45 degrees bevels with a jig that I own. Maybe not the best plan, but yeah. So I'm first gonna glue it, and afterwards, when it's a little bit dry, I'm gonna drill and nail it to secure it. The tape did the job. Yeah, now we need to dry it.
A few moments later.
Okay, it's not fully dry, but it has the opportunity to dry for 1 hour. It's enough to remove the tape. I'm measuring the nail so I can drill. It's a nail of 2. Now this I need to remove, of course. Snug drill to make the hole where the birds can enter their new home. Now for the roof you can use wood as you please, but I am gonna use this metal plate. This is from the chicken coop build, so yeah, I'm gonna use this because it's much sturdier and I don't need to paint this and yeah, like I mentioned, much sturdier as the wood. So in terms of how long the birdhouse will live, it will be something like this. But now I need to glue it onto the wood. Careful, it's very sharp. So to glue it, I'm gonna use, yeah, it's a Dutch language, but there is everything gluing everything. Toute couleur montée étanché. Alles lijmen, monteren, afdichten in Dutch. So I'm using this glue. And now I need to wait till it's dry so that I can give it a paint. Then need to make a bottom side. I'm gonna make something so that I can remove the bottom part, or maybe turn it, I will see it, to clean the birdhouse. But yeah, it's almost done. It's almost 8 o'clock, so the painting will be done by tomorrow. So I will see you tomorrow when we will paint this birdhouse.
Tomorrow.
I have made a bottom part, as you can see, but every year you need to clean the birdhouse. So I have made, I can remove it with this nail, so the hole is a little bit bigger as the nail itself. I have 4 nails in it. And just like that I can remove it. When it's done cleaning, I just put it back on a flat surface, put in the nails again. Yep, it's stuck. So yeah, now I need to paint. Alright, and our birdhouse is ready. So our birdhouse, you don't need to cut the 45 degrees bevels, only if you want a square result. But you can easily glue the front or the back side to the side walls. But then the disadvantage is that you don't end up with a square, but with a rectangle. But yeah, if you want to do it easy, and if you don't have a table saw to cut the 45 degrees bevels on the edges, then you can just do it like this. And for now I need to mount this. You have a lot of options for mounting, so you can drill a hole in the back side, and then if you have the hole on the back side of your birdhouse, you can screw this into the wall and you can just hang it onto this screw with L-shape thing. But for now I'm gonna put it somewhere here in the garden with the rest of the birdhouse. That's it for this video. I will say see you in the next. Peace.